So dear friends, if you wanna use Instagram and other apps at the same time, then follow some very simple steps that I'm showing here in this video. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings and now look for an option, apps. So scroll down a little bit. So click on apps. Look at the top right corner, you get a three-dot icon here, so click on it. Select the middle option, special access. And now, click on the picture and picture mode option. And now you will get this kind of interface. You gotta turn on this Instagram. And now enable all the applications that you want to use at the same time when you are using Instagram. Now go back. Now open your Instagram. Just close this. And now look at the bottom. You get three icons here. This is the tab icon. This is the close icon. And the last one is back icon. You gotta click on the tab icon. And then Instagram tab will pop up here. Just click and hold for a few seconds. And now drag it to the top side a little bit. And now leave it. Now see at the top side your Instagram account is opening. And in the lower part, other applications are showing up. And if you want to use other application at the same time, just open it. So this is how you can use Instagram and other application at the same time. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.